Well, there's one there, and there's another one further down below that you just barely can see. Those two are joined together, and they are joined to the firewall and anchored in the firewall, which will come in here and we'll show you. And if you look down there, you'll see where they're anchored, right there. Okay, and that bracket goes down underneath. Alright, the anode is located inside the fuel cell, and it lines the inside of this wall. That's the positive, where that connector right there goes through and bolts to. That is the anode. The cathode is located inside in the center, and it comes out through the bottom, all the way down at the bottom, and it rests on this metal cage right here and grounds to it